Good morning, students. Welcome you all in the class of English. Myself Kamal Nath, and today I am going to explain you the concluding part of the exercise of chapter 7, Gogol's first day. In the last two videos in this week, I explained you all the question answers from understanding the text and appreciating the text. And now in the last and third video, it's time to learn what is given here in the language part, that is grammar and uses and words in use. So please pay attention here, the exercises that I am going to explain from the exercise. Here in exercise A, grammar and uses, you have to complete the sentences with the articles a, an or the, or mark cross, give the cross mark if no article is required. In that case, you give the cross mark. Let us see, proceed. The first question is here, sentence here. You certainly need an older person to escort you on the trek. In the first sentence, in the blank, there will be the article, definite article, the will be here. In second question, again in the blank will be article the, I have already just filled. The bookshop not only had books, it also had magazines. In the first blank, there the article the is required, and in second and third there is no article required, so there is no article used. In place of that, cross marks are given. So in second will be the bookshop not only had books, it also had magazines. The sentence will be like this. Here in third one, I enjoy writing poems. My sisters like to play the piano. Here in the first blank, in this sentence, no article needs here. In second blank, there will be the, as we here name particular, here play, here instrument, musical instrument, that is piano, and so before that, definite article the is used. Let us see here, fourth one, take a walk in the park. Take a walk in the park, you will feel better. So here in first blank, a article is needed, that is indefinite article. You know, a and an are indefinite article and the is definite article. In fifth one, ask me without hesitation when you have a question. In this part of the sentence, you can see in the first blank no article is required, it is here quite correct, but in second you need to give indefinite article a. Ask me without hesitation when you have a question. It already feels like winter. Before winter there is no need of giving any article, so cross mark is given as you have already been instructed in the question. It already feels like winter. Do you need to put a sweater? Here a is here required, that is indefinite article in second blank. Seventh question is the lions. There was dash only, there will be definite article the. I am pointing here, we are pointing here a definite here, animal, the lions in this zoo. We are here talking about all common noun, that is here, all lions. Lions is what here? Common noun. The lions in this zoo. Here we are talking about a particular lions in the zoo. So it is here definite, we are talking about definite lines, not all the lines. The is used to indicate the same. To indicate definite here common nouns, and that is the loins of this Jew. So the lions in this zoo look sickly and they need nourishment. So in second blank there will be no article. Let's go. The last one is 8th only here, this on this slide. They don't expect an immediate reply, but you should send them an email by tomorrow. Here in both the article, here both the blanks, article an is here filled, and that is only required. Before immediate will be an, and before email will be an. They don't expect an immediate reply, but you should send them an email by tomorrow. Here in the next exercise you need to circle. There are two options given here, two determiners. You have to circle the correct one, which is correct one, and that is already circled in every question. Other option is here left without circle, without anything. So we have very little and less. There were two here options given. I have already circled that one. Very little. We have very little chance of reaching the stadium on time in the traffic. So in this sentence, very little determiner is what correct to be used. There were less and fewer. There are two options in this sentence, less and fewer. We have here to circle fewer. There were fewer people than usual in the supermarket. Next one, third, I am not sure if I can help you. I speak a little. Another option is a little and then is little English. Here will be only little, not a little. Okay, I am not sure I can help you. I speak little English. Here fourth one, the teacher gave each or every of the students a piece of paper. Here will be each, that will be the correct one, and that I have circled. The teacher gave each of the students a piece of paper. Fifth one, there were few or several. There are here two options in this question. There were few or several people to begin with, but most of or much of them left early. So in the first here, several option is here correct, and in the second place in this sentence, most of will be the correct. Most of them left early. So I am sure that you all must be watching all that. Sixth one, you see now sixth one. He works from two cities, but does not like neither of or either of them much. Here will be either of them, and that is circle. Seventh one, I learned gymnastics at my other or previous school. That will be here previous school. Okay, that is circle. And eighth is there wasn't some or enough space for all of us in the car. There will be enough space, not some space. Now here in the another question, that is what here related to words and use. Now read these sentences and just guess the meaning of the highlighted words or phrases in the sentence. So highlighted words are already in the sentence. The meaning I have written just next to that. You can see after every sentence the meaning is already given. He gets along with his new classmates very well. And here gets along with his highlighted word in the sentence, which means have a workable or friendly relationship. Have a workable or friendly relationship. Let us see. Second one, the speaker spoke brilliantly and got her message across to the audience. Highlighted words in this sentence is got her message across, which means here to make her point understood. The meaning of that phrase will be to make her point understood. Third question is here, third sentence. I have been reading up on the topic. but I cannot say I have got a handle on it. Got a handle on it. That is highlighted. You can see. Meaning of that will be to get a firm understanding of something. Next sentence is, the team fought back fiercely and did not allow their opponents to get the better of them. In this sentence, the highlighted words are to get the better, which means to surpass. To surpass. So these were here the exercises from grammar and uses and words in use. These are very helpful for us to understand and make them uses in our daily language, spoken, written both, so that we can no doubt brush and make our spoken and written both smooth, correct, error free. Thank you, student. Thank you very much being with me. Please complete this one all in your book and learn them. Thank you.